Hi class, today we're going to be doing Ebeneezer Sneezer, but with Glockenspiels. We played the Boomwhackers last time, so now we get to play the Glockenspiels and I'm going to show you how we use them. On the back blue music cart, we have boxes of the Glockenspiels. Here's what they look like. The top says top. That's how you know it goes on the top. When you get your Glockenspiel and when you put it away, you use two hands on either side like a tray, like you're carrying a tray. We don't ever want to hold it one-handed because it's unsteady and it could fall. If it breaks, it is not good. So please use two hands to hold your box. When you get your Glockenspiel, you're going to put the top box off and put it under. Now you're going to take the Glockenspiel out of the box. I like to flip my box upside down like this so the top is still showing, but it becomes my desk or table for my Glockenspiel. Like this. It's closer to me, I can play it easily. Inside my Glockenspiel, you see black keys and this red part right here. It's like a little cubby. That's where our mallet is. So you're just going to slide it so the mallet can come out. There it is. There's our mallet. It came out from the little cubby hole. The white notes with the blue stickers are what we are going to use in our song. We start with low do. It's just like our big do or big red one. The biggest do is on the end. Here it is. There's nothing next to it but air. This is our big do and that is where we start. Instead of playing Ebeneezer Sneezer with the Boomwhackers, we are just going to tap do to that line like this. Then we go up to re, then mi, then fa, then so, oops, then la, then ti, and our final high do every time he snores. The last line, "Oh, Ebeneezer, what a man," starts at our high do, which is all the way up here next to the two white keys, and we go backwards one syllable at a time like this. Just backwards. So we go our slow all the way up and then fast all the way down. Here is our song to practice. Start with low do on the end next to the air. Ebeneezer Sneezer, topsy-turvy man, walks up on his elbows every time he can, dresses up in paper every time it pours, whistles Yankee Doodle every time he snores. Oh, Ebeneezer, what a man. Now we're going to try it with just the Glockenspiels only and not singing. Start on your low do. Ready, go. Now backwards. The end! You did it. Take some time to practice by yourselves and do the best you can.